What up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja, your host on the Internet Income Ninja, back in here with another way to make money online. Just go ahead, guys. You know the deal. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more awesome ways, hacks, tips, tricks, everything related to making money online. In this video, we're going to be talking about a very cool tool. This tool will help you earn money online, but for just about any graphic design, any sort of simple images that you need to create, you can do so. And today we're going to be talking about Canva. Canva is an online based software that allows you to create graphics. You can do everything from YouTube videos, well, not videos, YouTube thumbnails, logos, design for cell phone cases, designs for cups, t-shirts. You can do designs for calendars, business cards, brochures. You can create images for Facebook content. You can do flyers, gift certificates, greeting cards, Instagram posts. You can do your Instagram stories on here. Menus, letterheads, logos. I said logos already. Planners, photo collages, postcards, posters, presentations. You can do Twitter stuff. You can do thank you cards, stickers, save the date cards. You can do your resumes on here, wedding invitations, and I actually mentioned YouTube already. So all of these things that I've mentioned, there are actual templates that you could use to create these things, or you can start from scratch. So for example, I was looking at YouTube thumbnail creation. You can just click here to create a blank canvas, hence the name Canva, and you can create your own stuff. Alright, you can upload images from your PC or Mac. You can upload photos. You can use elements. So just simple graphics, simple lines, shades. You can do shapes, you can do frames. There's stickers, there's images that you can use, there's stick figures, there's I don't know if I could call them a GIF or GIF, but little things that move. So if your platform allows you to use these little things, like say an Instagram story, you can have these little stickers on there. Grids, lines, colorful gradients. You can search for elements, like let's say you are going to the beach and you want to type in flip-flops. Images of flip-flops come up. You know what I mean? There's text, so you can customize your own text. There's the heading format, the subheading format, and just smaller font size for your description. There are different styles of text fonts that you can use that are pre-done, right? That you could just click, and then you can, once it pops up on your canvas, you can customize stuff. You can say Internet Income Ninja. Alright, you can change the size of the font. You can add effects if you want to, depending on what you're working on. Okay, now Canva is free. However, if you decide that you're going to use certain features, there are certain features that you will have to pay for. Okay, so I am actually on the paid version right now, and here's an example of something. Let me just finish this real quick. So there's different styles, so you can use color gradients. There's audio you can drop in. So if you are doing something like, again, an Instagram story, you can drop in little notes. So a lot of people have the sound effect for like the notification bell on YouTube. You could drop that in from here if you wanted to. You can do videos, right? and you can actually edit background stuff. So for backgrounds, there are preset backgrounds that you can find on here that are very high quality, very high quality. Here's one, for example, lollipop. So what I mean, there's roses. So you'll notice when I've been clicking on stuff, you'll see some that are free and some will say pro. I am currently using the paid version, and it gives me access to all features of Canva. That costs about $12 per month, and it is a very awesome tool to use. Here's an example. Okay, let me just clear all of this stuff. Let's look up something like high school teacher. Okay, let's go to images real quick. And let's say for some reason we wanted this image, but we didn't want the background in place. We can copy the image. We'll go to Canva, Control V, paste the image. Okay, and let's say we wanted to remove let's say we wanted to remove the background. We'll just wait for it to load right here real quick. Okay, but Canva is an amazing tool, you guys. I kid you not. So the free version allows you access to quite a bit of, you can do a lot of damage with the free version. But with the paid version, you can do things like this. So we selected the image, we can add effects, we can switch the image up and change the coloring a bit to Belvedere, and you'll notice that the color has a more, not a rustic look, but some certain colors pop a bit more. There's Flint, which is a lighter color, but what I was getting at was things like this. You can actually remove the background. So what it will do is it will highlight the people in the front and just completely remove the background. Watch this. See that? So with this, you can now change the color of this and do something like that. And now this, you could literally do something like this and say Happy Mother's Day. I don't know. Yes, it's a teacher. Yes, she's helping students, but you can say something like a lot of teachers are mothers, for argument's sake. And then you could enter text and say something like Happy Mother's Day. Right, and let's say we'll drop this to 108. See how that looks. Okay, drop this here, and if you wanted to add elements like hearts, let's try hearts. Since it's a pink background, let's use something red. You can change the angle or the orientation of the heart. You can do so much with this. Here's one. This is a pro element that you can use. Now, if you did not have the pro version, what they'll do is they'll charge you for each element that you use if it's not free. So it could be a couple cents, it could be anywhere up to $1. Even some of the templates are paid. Some are, but in the pro version, everything is free. You have access to everything if you're on the pro version. Okay. Now, That's just something you could do. This background remover especially is very powerful. It has a lot of potential. Okay. Um, there are actually tutorials that you can look at, watch, participate in. So you can design anything for yourself, for presentations, for social media, for videos, print productions, marketing, office, and so much more. Okay, and so you can literally start a business using a $12 product or a free product. It's free, but you can upgrade to the $12 per month product. And you can do this so easily, so effortlessly. Um, you can edit your Instagram posts on here if you wanted to. Like I said, logos, presentations, and so much more. Um, Canva overall is just an amazing tool. I've been using them for about a year, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. Okay. Um, Let me go back to this page. So on the home page, if I can open that real quick. Okay, so before you log in, you will see that, and even just the presentation is just simple, minimalistic, but very eye-catching, right? So popular designs, we talk about popular designs, and in addition to these popular designs, they will leave you with tutorials. Learn how to create anything. Social media, bingo cards, Facebook ads, Facebook cover, Facebook events, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, meme generator, and all these things you can learn how to do them. There's personal stuff. You can do announcements, so like baby announcements or whatever. Calendars, cards, checklists, e-cards, ID cards, mood boards. So even if you are an up and coming entrepreneur and you want to do things on a low budget, this is one of the best low budget tools you can have. For business, you can do your business cards, invoices, letterheads, logos, all these things. Okay, Zoom virtual background, you can create your own background. Table of contents, if you're into marketing, here's a list of the stuff you can do under marketing. Under education, these are all the tutorials that you can learn. Let's look at flashcards real quick. Okay. And it will take you step by step through making flashcards if you are a teacher. So it gives you a simple breakdown: log in or sign up, find the perfect template. Like I said, log in because you don't necessarily have to have an account. Well, you would create a free account, but you don't have to pay for the free templates that you use. Only if the template was designed by one of their team and it has a cost affixed. And like I said, the cost is usually minimal, like say $1 or so. So if you're someone who doesn't use it quite often, you can go the free route and pay as needed, or you can just have full access to the whole thing and pay $12 per month. All right. So yeah, guys, if you need something done, you can do it for free. You and I'm gonna be blunt, you have no excuse to get your stuff done unless you wanted to pay for the thing on somewhere like Fiverr. There's a video about that on Fiverr. There's one called Legit. I did that one recently. That's similar to Fiverr. They're both like each other. Both of those are amazing tools. Both of those you sign up for free as well. But guys, this is a very good way to earn money online, because if you know people who are trying to get their business off the ground, not everybody these days is the most how do I say this? Not everybody knows exactly how to get stuff done, and even if they do, they have so many things going on that they'd rather ask someone else to do it. So someone you know wants business cards, you can jump on here, get the information from them that you need to get from them regarding the style of look they want or what they want, the layout, the general stuff, and you can literally whip up business cards for that person in a very short space of time, maybe minutes. And you could be selling these things to people. You could be selling your services on Fiverr. You could be selling your services on Legit, Legit. You could be selling your services on Upwork using a free tool. You could be engaging your Instagram audience with amazing, captivating images and edits and stickers. You could be engaging your Facebook following. You could be raising your standard above everybody else and making people want to follow you, all from using this free tool. Now guys, I'll be leaving a link in the description below to this free tool. Go ahead and check it out. Tell your friends about it. It's an amazing tool. It makes life a lot simpler, and I'm sure you will have more fun, more luck, more success with your social media, with your business. You'll be able to even start your business using this software, which again is free unless you choose the paid version. There are so many ways to earn money. Custom mugs. You could be doing mugs as a gift. You could be doing custom mugs for family members, for relatives, for friends, for someone having a rough time. You could put a really cool message or image on here, like a smiley face, or something that's an inside joke that's between you and that person. You could be creating custom mugs for that person from your home for free, or you could be doing designs and selling them online. But you would be doing the graphics, high quality graphics. You'd be doing them for free on Canva. Guys, do not let these opportunities pass you by. Jump on them, make them work. Again, check the links in the description below. And additionally, if you like the information I'm bringing to you, show some love. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share for more awesome videos from us here at the Internet Income Ninja. We'll see you guys in the next video. Continue to stay safe. Peace.